to teach you how to make Play-Doh.
Let's get right into it. Over to Banana. He will teach you what ingredients you need.
We are going to be using 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, half a cup of water, 2 to 3 drops of scent, and 4 to 5 drops of food coloring. Make sure to have a plate. Now over to mango and dragon fruit with the egg.
Thanks, Banana. In a plate, we are going to be mixing 1 cup of flour. Okay. Half a cup of salt. Okay. Should I add water? And half a cup of water. Now on to dragon fruit with the rest of the steps. If it's too dry, add more water. And if it's too wet, add more flour.
Thanks, Mango. Now we have to add 2 to 3 drops of scent. That should do it. Now some color. Banana, which color do you think we should add?
How about blue?
Sure. Now we add 4 to 5 drops of food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to mix. Mix, mix, mix.
Thanks, dragon fruit. Now we have to knead it together. Remember, these will rot after 4 weeks to a month because it has some ingredients that it can make it happen. For example, flour and salt.
Knead it until it's ready to be used.
Yeah. And we added more flour and water to make it to this right consistency. So if you need it to be done like that, just do it. Remember, after you're done, to smell it, because if you added scent, it will smell really good.
And if it gets too sticky, just add more flour. It always does the trick.
Thank you all for watching. We hope you enjoy your Play-Doh.
Hello.